In this video, we're going to learn how to DC fast charge a new Taycan here at an Electrify America station. Let's get started. It's best practice to go ahead and start the charge from your app inside your vehicle. Select My Porsche. Then at the bottom, you're going to select the Map tab. Now you're going to select this middle icon. It's basically the charging station icon. Select it. And here you can see the blue dot is us, and that is the charging station. So we're going to select the charging station. And here's the very important part. Put your finger on the address to open the charging station. Whoop, right there. And here we go. Here's our charging station. So to open this up, we're going to use one of the CCS cables. And we have a couple available here. We're at charger 04, so I'm going to select that. And then here it shows the rates, but of course we have our free charging through Electrify America, so I'm going to hit Start Charging. And there we go. Now we got to plug in the car. Okay, once we come around, we're going to slide this open here along the bottom. It's the electric charge port door. If you have a manual charge port door, you just touch and push to open, much like our gas-operated vehicles. It's very important that you pull down this DC fast charging flap so you can insert the CCS. Now the CCS is this kind of larger plug that you see here. So I'm going to take the charger, going to use two hands to get good alignment on the charger, and boom, there we go. So now the vehicle is plugged in, and you'll notice here, this is the amount of power that's coming into the vehicle from the charger. And the thing I want to point out for our new Taycans is you actually can set the target charge here. And so what I'd like to do is to set it to 85% or 80%, either one of those you like to do. And the reason for this being is it takes a lot longer to get from 80 to 100 just due to the nature of batteries. So it's really good practice to set it at about 85 when you're DC fast charging, unless you're going on that long journey. There are a number of different ways to stop the charge, one of which is by setting the target charge, which we did just a second ago, and it'll charge up to that point and stop the charge. Another way is you can stop the charge from the app. You can stop the charge by holding your thumb over the button in the charging port for a couple seconds, and you can also stop the charge from the kiosk. So a number of different ways to stop the charge. But in this case, we just used our target charge in the vehicle. Nice, easy, efficient, and fast. You can also use plug and charge. Now to activate plug and charge, you do so here in the PCM. You select the charging icon, then the settings icon over here on the right. And then all you have to do is make sure this is checked to use plug and charge. Now what does plug and charge do for you? Plug and charge allows you to take the charger off of the pedestal, plug in the vehicle, and walk away. You come back, and if you've set your target charge, it'll stop at your set target charge. You can now DC fast charge your new Taycan.